Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best kitchen pantry organizers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is iDesign Linus Kitchen Drawer Organizer. This best-selling organizer collection by iDesign, which has garnered praise from scores of reviewers online, embodies Solomon's sentiment. It's a versatile modular collection that offers customized storage solutions for kitchen drawers and cabinets of various sizes. Set of 2 durable clear plastic trays for your kitchen drawer. Perfect for organizing forks, knives, spoons, other cutlery, utensils, chopsticks, sauce packets, and more. Also great for office, bathroom, craft room, and junk drawer storage. Textured base design prevents your items from sliding around in the bin. Short bin walls make the organizers perfect for in-drawer use. Made of durable clear plastic for years of quality use. Everything in the set matches, so whichever products you choose, you'll end up with a clean, cohesive look. Material: BPA-free plastic. Dimensions: 4 x 12 x 3 inches. Number of pieces: 2. What we love: offers customized storage of differently sized drawers and cabinets. What we don't love: some dimensions listed are the outer measurements of the pieces. Number 2. Second best pick is ClosetMaid 3456 Large Shelf. Simple, yet effective, this shelf from ClosetMaid, which is available in either a white or a chrome finish, gets the job done. You can use it to organize the food in your pantry, refrigerator, or freezer, as well as your dishes and cleaning products. It can also be used to maximize counter space, and there's no assembly required. ClosetMaid's large shelf shows that pantry organization doesn't have to be elaborate or expensive. All you need to do is place this shelf inside a cabinet to give yourself some extra storage space, such as to make room in your small cupboard for a new casserole dish or to store bowls and salad plates side by side. Just a couple of examples shared by online reviewers. Material: epoxy-coated steel. Dimensions: 8.4 x 16.25 x 5.7 inches. Weight: 0.4 pounds. What we love: simple and light, sturdy, inexpensive, no assembly required. What we don't love: non-adjustable size, doesn't fold up for storage. Number 3. Third best pick is Copco Non-Skid Pantry Cabinet Lazy Susan Turntable. Have deep shelves or a small kitchen? Lazy Susans are a tried and true storage solution that will help you out, says Solomon. With deep shelves, it's all too easy to forget about all those condiments, spices, and vinegars hidden deep in the recesses of your pantry, she says. With Lazy Susans, nothing gets lost in the shuffle. A turntable is a solid solution for maximizing small spaces because the rotating design allows you to have easy access to more items. One top-rated online option is the Copco Pantry Cabinet Lazy Susan Turntable, which comes in a variety of colors to suit your aesthetic, and it boasts thousands of positive online reviews. There are also 9-inch and 18-inch versions available. This turntable has a non-skid surface so that your items stay in place when it's rotated, and the outer rim helps to keep things from falling off. Several users also like this turntable because it's plenty sturdy and can even be used in the fridge to hold sauce bottles, pickle jars, salad dressings, and more. Material: plastic. Dimensions: 12 x 12 x 1.5 inches. Weight: 1 pound. What we love: inexpensive, sturdy, versatile. What we don't love: raised rim is somewhat large and may take up valuable real estate. Number 4. Fourth best pick is LYNK Professional Slide Out Spice Rack. If you've got a cabinet full of spices and you have trouble finding the ones you need, this slide-out spice rack is a handy solution. Depending on the size of your cabinet and how many spices you need to organize, LYNK offers a variety of sizes, with wider and taller and double-tier options. Organize your spices alphabetically, by cuisine, by use, savory cooking versus baking spices, for example, whatever works best for you. Narrow pull-out spice racks like this one from LYNK are particularly helpful when it comes to maximizing pantry space in small kitchens, according to Solomon. Creativity is key. If your pantry shelves are especially narrow, treat yourself to a sleek pull-out spice rack organizer, and it will suddenly make your tiny pantry feel cute and chic, she says. Material: steel with chrome finish, polymer tray, dimensions: 10.5 into 4.5 into 2.5 inches, weight: 2 pounds. What we love: sleek chrome finish, easy to slide out. What we don't love: can only hold about 10 average-sized spice bottles. Number 5. Fifth best pick is OXO Good Grips 10-piece pop container set. Tidy up the look of your pantry by storing ingredients like coffee, nuts, and even dried fruit in these BPA-free plastic containers by OXO. Each container has a corresponding push-button lid with a silicone gasket that creates an airtight seal. This OXO Good Grips pop container set includes the following: 1 2.8 quart container, 1 2.7 quart container, 1 2.2 quart container, 1 4.4 quart container, 2 1.1 quart containers, 2 0.6 quart containers, and 2 0.4 quart containers. They have curved corners, which make it easy to pour out ingredients when measuring, and they're stackable, too. These containers are great for keeping staples like white sugar, brown sugar, and flour fresh, according to several reviewers, because of their easy-to-use pop tops that they say are indeed airtight and double as lids. Not only that, but the lids can lock in accessories such as scoops and levels, sold separately. Material: BPA-free plastic. Dimensions: varies, 19.9 into 18 into 7 inches total. Weight: 10.1 pounds total. Number of pieces: 10. What we love: top rack dishwasher safe, versatile, stackable. What we don't love: it's a predetermined set, you can't swap out some pieces for others. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.